Each project is a spreadsheet. It's a checklist of individual items and also individual people who will be working on that project. First of all, in order to create a project, you need to give it a name. After you give it a name, put in a description if you'd like. It's optional. And if you have a deadline for that, put in the deadline as well. Hit the Submit and Assign button, which will take you to a new screen where you add the assigned companies to your project. And you just click on the checkbox. If you need to add new companies because it's not showing up there, click on Add New Company. Now that you have the checklist created, create a new task in the checklist. Simply give it a name. Description is optional, obviously, and then the deadline is also optional. Make sure you add the responsible party to that task by selecting it from the drop-down box and clicking on Add New Assignment. If the company is not there, you'll have to add the company from that point. Okay, so once the company has been assigned the task, in order for them to update this task, they can click on the Status button and update the status. They can also upload files to that task so that the task is also related to the files for that task.
Yeah, that's a good.
Each of the tasks have a menu. The menu of the 3 dots sitting in a row. You can do anything you'd like with that task with that menu. Click Complete Task and see that your task has been completed. This is obviously all done by the person who's responsible for that task.